Welcome to Miniatures.de, your military miniatures magazine. In this issue, we will replace the faulty cartridge pouches of Airfix 1:76 scale German paratroops with a Fallschirmjäger cartridge bandolier. This upgrade makes sense because the 4 individual cartridge pouches on these figures don't look like anything actually used by the German army at the time. Using a cutter, the inaccurate cartridge pouches K98K are carefully removed. We will be using a small amount of green stuff to sculpt the cartridge bandoliers. A small amount of green stuff is rolled into a sausage and pressed against the left side of the figure so that the figure is covered in green stuff from the collarbone to the hip. Using a modeling tool, most of the green stuff is removed from the miniature, leaving only a very narrow strip of about 1 millimeter in width, which represents the cartridge bandolier. Finally, 5 horizontal cuts are placed on the bandolier, separating it into 6 equally sized pockets. The 4 lower pockets are double pockets, and they are given a vertical dividing line right in the middle. Now take the next paratrooper and repeat this process. Apply green stuff to the left side of the miniature's chest and remove most of it with the modeling tool, leaving only a narrow strip from the shoulder to the hip. And again, 5 horizontal cuts are placed on the bandolier, separating it into 6 equally sized pockets. The work gets easier with every figure we do, and we need to work fast because the green stuff cures in about 45 minutes. As the green stuff becomes less sticky, we don't use it on the miniatures anymore, but any remainder is used to make rolled greatcoats, haversacks, and other items we can use later to glue to vehicles or use as stowage inside our personnel carriers and so on. Once again, we place the 5 horizontal cuts to separate the pockets of the bandolier, and then we split the lower 4 pockets vertically to create the double pockets. The upper 2 pockets are single pockets for one K98 stripper clip, and they don't need to be split. Once every paratrooper has received half a bandolier, we need to let the green stuff cure overnight, so that we don't accidentally destroy all of our sculpting work. The next day, we repeat the process by pressing green stuff against the right chest of the miniature, reducing the green stuff to a 1 millimeter wide strip, placing the 5 horizontal dividing lines, and vertically dividing the 4 lower pockets into double pockets. Apparently, the Fallschirmjäger Patronenbandolier could also be worn front and back. So on some of the figures where one half of the bandolier may be difficult to place on the chest, consider putting it on the back of the miniature as an alternative. There you have it. Here's what the paratroopers look like once we've replaced the incorrect cartridge pouches with a cartridge bandolier. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at miniatures.de.